Hey guys, Natasha Denona here, and in this tutorial I'm showing you a beautiful burnt coral pink look with an accent crease featuring the Zendo Eyeshadow Palette. Okay, so first of all I have to create an elongating shape for the eye, and for this I'm using the shade Mindful. This is a cream powder formula, super easy to work with because it's very soft and blendable. With the shade Sense, a highly metallic foiled eyeshadow, I am covering up the first shade to give just a very high shine finish to the angle. Then with Aura, which is a coral duochrome eyeshadow, I'm pressing it onto the center lid just to blend out the brown shade. To create a coral toned gradient effect, I'm continuing with Tranquil into the inner corner. For a colorful definition in the crease, I'm picking Vigor, going in with a small brush. I'm connecting first of all from the outer corner and dragging it inwards, following the natural shape of the crease. And with Relief, I'm blending it upwards. It's really important to use a slightly larger blending brush for this step. With the shade Calm, I'm diffusing the upper border. Now I'm quickly going back to Vigor just to bring back a little bit more of the red color. To add contrast and to enhance the cut crease, I am picking Luster with a small detail brush and I'm placing it right underneath the line of the cut crease. This will also give a beautiful highlight for hooded eyes above the fold. I'm finishing off the look with the lips, and for this I'm outlining the lips with the I Need a Nude Lip Crayon in NP1, the shade Natasha, and covering the lips with the I Need a Nude Lipstick Beatrice, it's number 31 NP.